Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to get KnotRoot wood in Lego Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply look for a cave in your Fortnite Lego map. Now when you will be also looking for the caves over here, make sure that you have some weapons to defend yourself and a shovel or a forest axe. And when you will be looking for the forest axe, make sure that it is not the white common one, but the green uncommon one, because only that axe or above that can only cut the KnotRoot. So let me show you exactly how to find them. So if you have any flying vehicle that you have made on this game, so just simply take that. So let me show you. So all you have to do is just simply look for caves that have a entrance, and usually have a big opening at the beginning. So just simply look for them. For example, this rock over here, let's see if this have a cave or not. So as you can see right over here, this rock itself has a cave in it. So just simply go inside that cave, and after that, let me show you what to do next. So get your axe in hand and go inside the cave. Now once you're inside the cave, first just simply light a torch to actually see inside the cave. And now over here you will find a few type of woods, like for example this one. So these are the normal type of woods. But the KnotRoot that you're looking for is the wood that will have some spiral shapes, as you can see right over here. So now what you have to do is just simply take your axe and cut them out. And the KnotRoot will also shine as green, as you can see right over here. So now just simply pick them up and then look for more KnotRoot in the cave. So you will find few KnotRoots which will be on the wall, as you can see right over here. So what you have to do is to get them, just simply build a block. So just simply take a block and build it like this, and make a complete stair if you want to. It's totally up to you. And then use your axe to cut them out. Just like that. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.